What's good? How you doing? It's your girl D back with another video. I'm on my way out the door to my company party, but I needed to go ahead and let you know that I'm going to be bringing you a quick little tutorial and my initial thoughts, or final thoughts, because I've had it for a while, on the Too Faced there's a lash on the bottom. On the Too Faced chocolate gold palette. I've had this since the middle of December, and it definitely has been my go-to for special occasions, for these holiday parties that I've had to attend. I'm on my way to my company party right now. So if you want to see how it is that I whip these wonderful eyes together, stay tuned after the jump. Normally I clean off my bed to give you guys a good presentation. I'm lazy. Chocolate gold. Better late than never. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 shades. Take decadence to the next level with a luxurious gold and cocoa powder infused shadow palette that smells as good as it looks. Have a major metallic moment with foiled shadows that are created with real gold for an epic high shine finish that's paired with rich seductive mattes for coffee to cocktail wear. All shadows feature a soft, velvety texture with full coverage payoff. The entire palette is infused with skin-loving cocoa powder for a decadent chocolate scent. So, if you are one that is allergic to anything chocolate-related, stay away from this. I know that there's some people who can't even be near it because of the chocolate scent. Now, one thing that I do enjoy is the fact that they actually have the full-size mirror in here for once. And then here are your shades. I have used this quite a bit. This has been my go-to palette for the special events and things that I needed to attend during the holiday season. And we have a special event coming up right now. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already arched my brows, filled them in. I have not cleaned them up, so I'm going to do that now. I'm using my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I've been using the shade Hazelnut, which is a little bit darker than what I normally use. But I also, I was one who never used concealers that were brighter than my actual skin tone. And so this is kind of bright, still close to my skin tone. And what I'm going to do is, as I clean up the brow, I'm going to bring this down because this is going to serve also as my shadow primer. I've got a ton of shadow primers, of course. Yes, absolutely. But, again, I'm lazy. Now I'm taking a more dense concealer brush. It came from a icing set, but I like to use it for cleanup and to help blend the concealer out from beneath my brows. And again, bringing it downward so that we give our eyelids a pretty base. Ta-da! That's lovely. So I'm going to go in with a fluffy crease brush. Go in first with this shade called So Boujee. It is spelled in the traditional, well, in the untraditional sense, because bougie is actually bourgeois. Whatever. And I'm actually going up beneath the brow, above the lid, to create my gradient. We're going to the company party tonight, so we need to be able to capture the attention of every man that walks in the room from across the room, even though we don't want them. Cool. Cool. Then dusting off with a color shift. Going in with the shade Cocoa Truffle right below that. And now, what I've been doing recently is I've actually been taking my smoke shade and using that first. So the smoke shade in this palette, this black, is called Decadent. And just hitting the outer corner to add dimension first. And the great thing about doing your eyes first is that if you mess up, you can clean it up with foundation. Or just wipe the shit off and start over. Whatever y'all want to do, fam. Now that that is lovely, going in with a small lid brush, and I feel like this purple that's in here, I feel like that's what we need in our lives. So yeah, let's use that. Oh, she's pretty. She's very pretty. And then be gentle as you bring it to where the smoke shade begins and your lid shade ends. Just gently dabbing it, just a smidgen of a dab. Oh yeah, that's pretty. And there are quite a few. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 metallic neutrals in here. So you've got a little bit of variety as it is anyways. Okay, that's noise, that's noise, that's noise. I did take the black up too high over here. So calming that down. Then going in with the fluffy brush and that cocoa truffle, and then cleaning that up some. Alright. She's not bad. She's not bad. She's not bad at all. So I'm going to add some shading to the inner corner as well as the bottom lid as soon as I'm done with the foundation. Alright, so final thoughts as I finish everything up. I was a little suspicious of some of the Too Faced palettes that were released at, in the 2017 calendar year. I wasn't too terribly wild about the Peachy Mattes. They did have, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just putting this on in the camera. Like, hold on, make sure I'm doing things well. I'm sweating because I'm hustling. Because of course, I am late. Now, I wasn't too wild about some of the palettes that Too Faced released in 2017, but I do have to say that this is one, although towards the tail end, this is one that I was particularly pleased with. I did swatch it before purchasing it. I'm not giving y'all swatches. It's been out long enough to where you can find swatches on your own. Y'all will be okay, I promise. But overall, I am pretty pleased with the pigmentation, with how easily it blended, and the staying power. Because like I said, I have worn this quite a few times, and I haven't had to touch up my eyes at all. So overall, I think that this is a good one. This is probably one of the better ones that they had for 2017. Other than that, yeah, I really don't have much to say. I did purchase it with a discount. I got mine from Ulta, and Ulta had like they had quite a few of those 20% discount codes that they were dropping during the month of December. So I was pretty pleased with that. You know, I don't think it's worth full price per se, but that's only because I've got a whole bunch of other Too Faced palettes in my repertoire. So, you know, I'm not going to pay full price for a palette anymore. Y'all going to give me a discount, run me some kind of code, something like that. But, oh well. It's so much chaos whenever you're getting ready. So, I've got to go. It is time to go. So, as always, thank you ever so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing, whatever. Thanks for being here, goddammit. If you have any questions or suggestions, hit your gut up in the comment section. If you are new here, please feel free to hit the subscribe button. I'd love to see you back on my channel. But if you're not here for me, my shenanigans, my opinions, or flagrant use of the word motherfucker, that's fine. There is an X. It's in that corner. I had to think about it. I've been forgetting. That's how long it's been since I've filmed. I forgot what corner it is, but there's the corner somewhere where you can click, get your life, and get off my channel. But if you are here for my shenanigans, you're beautiful, amazing, wonderful, spectacular, and if no one else has told you, I appreciate you. I will see you guys next week. You have a wonderful day.